How are you doing? We got a 2004 BMW 525i here. Just doing the brake wear indicator reset on the dash the manual way. So if you want to do this, go here to the key, turn it all the way to the on position where you get all these lights. Once it turns on and it goes through all of the startup features that it typically goes through, wait a couple seconds, then you go here to the odometer trip button, hold it down until the middle indicator goes to the triangle and past it. Now I'm good to, sorry about that. We hold it down, the odometer button, until it goes to the triangle. Keep holding it, and now we're good to start resetting. I can click through all of these options: rear brakes, oil, front brakes, which I've already reset. But if you wanted to reset it, you would simply hold the odometer trip button on it. Let me get back there for you. If you wanted to reset this, get back to it, hold the odometer reset button. It says okay. Right there would ask, do you want to reset? You'd take it, unclick it, click the odometer button again, and it would reset. Take your finger off the odometer button, turn your key off, and you're good to go. That's how you do it.